Hey guys, Kim Wolf here with Affiliate Marketing Informant. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money in a $2 trillion niche. That is an insane amount of money. Let me show you. So where I'm getting that number from and the niche I'm talking about today is going to be the cryptocurrency niche. This is a recent article that I found saying that the market value tops $2 trillion for the first time as Ethereum hits record highs. Now, if you don't know anything about the crypto or cryptocurrency niche, then it's one you should definitely check out, especially if you are looking for a hot niche to go into and or if you are choosing a niche for the first time and you like this subject. Now, I do recommend that you have some interest in the subject. There's going to be a lot to learn, but there's going to be a lot of opportunity for you, and I'm going to show you why. So this is going to be a little bit different than my past two videos where I actually deep dived you behind a site in a specific niche that was sold for an amount of money. In this particular case, I'm just going to show you a lot of the trend information and a lot of various angles so that you can see how big this niche really is. Now, we're going to dive into my email for a minute. Now, I have been following this topic for a while because I know that it's been a hot niche. I've been sort of seeing the buzz around it, but this is one way to kind of tell and see what's happening in my email feed alone. Now, I intentionally sign up to emails from affiliate marketers, people in different industries, because I am looking at how they're marketing themselves to me. I'm looking at their email strategies. I'm also looking at what they are promoting. And that is one way to kind of find out what's happening in your industry, what's happening in your niche, is to sign up to other people in your niche and you can see what they are doing. And you can learn a lot from that. But if you look at my email news feed as of right now, you can see that just for the term crypto alone, I've received about 10 emails today with some sort of topic about crypto. Now, what's interesting is some of these emails that I've actually signed up for were not crypto related. They were more like affiliate marketing related, offering some sort of affiliate marketing product. And in some cases, you might see some specific emails that are crypto related because I have been sort of watching this industry for a while. But outside of that, a lot of these affiliate marketers that I follow are starting to promote products in the cryptocurrency niche. And that tells me a lot right there. So let me show you what I mean. So this is going to be one email that I received this morning. And this particular person and brand has been promoting a product that can be used in any niche. Now they're using the crypto niche as an example, and you can see why right here. So they're saying that this is an easy way to get massive traffic without spending a penny on ads, and the amount of traffic the software can generate is truly tremendous. Right now there are 5,000 opportunities in the crypto niche and way more in all other niches. You can generate traffic and sales in any niche. However, crypto is the hottest I've ever seen it right now. So that says a lot, the fact that they're using crypto as a niche example to sell this product. The reason they're doing that is because it's hot. Let me show you another example. So I also received this email today, and this person is normally an internet marketing person. He has his own products, but he is saying specifically he's been promoting and talking about cryptocurrency and additional related topics. He's even saying, I'm not leaving the internet marketing or anything like that. I'm evolving with the trend. Make sure you don't get left out too. So when you click on this, it's actually going to talk about a crypto coin that is making a lot of money, and it's going to be a product promoting something in the cryptocurrency niche. Okay, so let me show you another email that I received, I believe it was yesterday. So we're talking in the last 2 days, I've received a lot of additional information and insights that people are just jumping on this topic because it is hot. If it wasn't hot, they wouldn't be doing it. So this is PayPal. PayPal is obviously a very popular sort of payment app that we can all use. A lot of affiliate programs will actually use PayPal as the way to distribute money into the account. I know I have personally used PayPal to pay people and even business people in my business. So in this particular case, you're going to see that PayPal now now allows you to actually do crypto right in the app. So you can basically buy, hold, and sell Bitcoins and other cryptos. You can get started as little as $1, and you can check out with crypto at millions of online stores. So not only have they added the ability to pay with crypto and cryptocurrency, but they've also added the ability to buy and become a little trading app. Once again, for a company like PayPal to do that, that is a big step in a different direction. It says they think they can make a lot of money with it, and that's why they did that. Now, another trend that's happening is when you're getting into this niche for cryptocurrency, you're going to think, okay, well, what about content? Like, what do I start actually doing to get in this niche? And there's going to be a lot of different ways that you can do that. But another trend that I'm noticing is basically done for you content. So done for you content comes in various niches, and it's a way to actually help you answer those questions and get started a little faster, because you're leveraging pre-existing content that you buy the right to use for your affiliate business in that particular topic area. So this is a done for you kit in the crypto niche, and it's going to have everything from done for you keyword research for keywords that you can actually target on YouTube. It's going to have done for you research keywords for videos on Google. It's going to have articles that you can use to start a blog. Now it is 10, so it's not meant to build you out an entire site. It's meant to help you get started and actually take this content to leverage, to learn how to write a blog post, to learn what topics are good to write about. And then these keywords, there are going to be hundreds of keywords that you can start writing your own content with. But you get even more amazing content, everything from helping you to build out an email list. So you get a 7-day email series around the crypto topic. You're going to get done for you lead magnets, so you can actually collect the email address to send to. You're going to get interactive checklists. So this is all around the crypto niche, and this is going to help people who want to learn about crypto do some sort of checklist. Now this would be for you to use in various ways. One of the most common ways is going to be to offer this as either a lead magnet to get the email address, and or you could offer this as a bonus for them to buy a product through your link, whether it's your product or it's an affiliate product. So that is a really popular strategy today to encourage clicks to your affiliate links versus everyone else's. You offer really specific, unique, targeted bonuses. You're going to get some videos, audio files. You get an affiliate Rolodex, which actually lists affiliate programs in the crypto niche that you can get into. And you even get a customer avatar, which is essentially information about a person that would fit in this niche. You use that information to know how to target that person, what they care about, how to position your content and your solution to them in order to get them to buy from you, or at least make them more likely to buy. Now, next up I want to show you is actually, so Google Trends is another way to kind of look at topics and see how they're performing. Now, Google Trends looks at search results and kind of tells you the popularity of the topic in a specific time frame. So you can see for cryptocurrency from 2004, which when this product was launched, to right now, you can see the trend of cryptocurrency was really, really low, which means the search volume really wasn't that high until you get to 2018, and from there you're seeing some interesting spikes. Now this is more of a recent spike in this year of 2021. So you obviously see that it's coming down and it's going back up. Now, if you don't know anything about the cryptocurrency niche, it's volatile, which means it has really high highs and it has really low lows. But it does that a lot frequently, and so that is why it's garnering so much attention, because in some cases people have made a lot of money from it. And so that is typically the idea they are selling you when they are pitching their product to you or some sort of service. They're saying you can make a lot of money with crypto. So people's ears are up with that, and they're like, yeah, I want to jump in on that train. But it's said to be a $2 trillion niche, so who wouldn't want to be, right? So let's look at another search term, and this is going to be crypto, which is a shortened version of cryptocurrency. You're going to see the exact same pattern. Now, these are used interchangeably, so that's why I'm not surprised that there's the same pattern here. It just shows you that, once again, you're seeing the same sort of trend where you have these, you had a spike here in 2017, but in this year, you're having a lot of buzz around crypto. So now we are looking at trends using another software that's really cool, and you're going to see similar trends. Now, this is really cool because it kind of shows you the percent of the growth. Now, AVAX is a blockchain ecosystem. It's also known as Avalanche. This is actually part of the cryptocurrency. You're going to see that it has 825% growth in just the last 3 months. So it's obviously new. It's garnering a lot of attention, and you can see similar spikes as you saw on Google Trends. Next topic is the crypto game. It just has the crypto in it. I honestly have no idea what this is, but you're seeing in this last 6 months, it's experienced 354% growth. This one is the generative NFT. Now, NFT is part of the cryptocurrency niche, and it has seen a 4,900%. So that is almost 5,000% growth in just the last 6 months. Another one is going to be cyberkongs. Now, I had no idea what this was, and if it was even related to cryptocurrency. It turns out it is. It's seen 1,000% growth in the last 6 months. Let me just show you what it is. Now, cyberkongs is actually a unique and randomly generated 2D or 3D NFT social avatar for your online experience. And just to make it really clear what an NFT is, basically, at a very high level, most NFTs are part of the Ethereum blockchain. That's going to be part of the cryptocurrency niche. And it says that Ethereum is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Dogecoin. So there are all these different types of cryptocurrencies inside of that niche, and people are wanting to know which ones are hot, which ones are going to make them a lot of money. Now, let's shift into a different angle, right? So we've been sort of looking at the trends that I'm seeing in my email box, but I'm also seeing on Google Trends and other platforms that look at trends. But let's look at it this way. So this is Flippa. Now, this is a very popular website used to buy and or sell websites and make money from them. So just coming in here and typing in the crypto word, you can see that these are currently websites for sale. This one, crypto-rating, it is for sale for $369,000. So you click into that listing, and this is what it's going to show you. It is making $13,000 a month. It gets 624,000 page views per month. Profit margin is 76%. You can see this. Let's look at the site. So this is the actual site that's for sale for a lot of money. And it's obviously getting some serious traffic, and it's generating some serious money month by month. Let's look at another website that I thought was interesting. Now, if you look at this website is also for sale. It's in the crypto niche. The asking price is $8,000. But what's interesting is to look at this. It's not actually making any money yet. It is just a starter template site. It's a brand new website. It's recently been launched, and it's unlikely to have any traffic, revenue, or page rank. So I thought that was really interesting. And it says, here that the website is classified. Well, they usually put the name of the website somewhere in the content. So if you snoop good enough, you can typically find it. This is actually the website that's for sale for $8,000. It has no rankings. It has no sales. It is just a starter website. It's not real pretty, in my opinion. I think there are way better designed websites yet. This is for sale for $8,000. Now, it will be interesting to see if someone actually buys it for that amount or doesn't buy it. But I just wanted to see what they considered a starter site. It's very simple. It's just got some information explaining what cryptocurrency is. You'll see up here you have a how to buy crypto guide. You also have how to make money. The way they're actually telling you that you can make money with the site is if you scroll down here, you're going to see links like this. Now, obviously, if you bought the site, you could change where your links are, but this is an affiliate link. So when I click on it, it's actually going to take me to a ClickBank product, which is actually in the crypto niche, and it's going to show me how to actually make money in crypto. So it's just an affiliate product, an affiliate link, and whoever the affiliate is can put their own link there, and then anytime actually clicks on that and buys this particular product from that link, that affiliate will get credit for the sale. So really, really super simple website, not real pretty in my opinion, but yet it's for sale for $8,000. Now let's look at it this way. So this is going to be basically recently sold sites and how much they are under the crypto keyword. So you've got Crypto Vice, recently sold for $2,000. You got Project Crypto, recently sold for $1,300. Coin Crypto News, you've got sold for $1,000. It looks like it was only making money from ads. They're not saying anything about affiliate program on there or Amazon. So you can see it's kind of an interesting list to see what even sold under the crypto, and there are a lot of websites. So this is another clear sign that this topic and this term and these keywords are generating a lot of buzz, because if they weren't, then nobody would be selling and or buying websites with the keyword and or the topic. So once again, if you're interested in going into this particular topic, I have actually talked about it in multiple videos because I have noticed it is a hot topic. There are a lot of affiliate products out there that are for sale around cryptocurrency training and buying and trading and all that. So if the cryptocurrency niche interests you at all, then definitely remember you can sort of fast track your way to inside of that niche by using done for you content. This is going to be a really good solution for you. I'm loving the content in here. It's very well written. It gives me everything I would need and then some, and it makes it a lot easier for me to actually get started. Now, granted, I am not in the crypto niche, and sure, that may be a question you're asking. Well, hey Kim, well, if it's so hot, why are you not getting into the niche? And here is why. I have a really good reason. When you are starting out with anything, you want to make sure you keep your focus very specific on one thing. So for me personally, I am growing Affiliate Marketing Informant. That's the brand. That's my focus. That is the niche that I'm in, which is the make money online niche. Now, technically, cryptocurrency could kind of fall into there. There are other ways to take this niche and to wrap it into sort of my mission, which is telling people everything they need to know about affiliate marketing. Some easy ways would be to talk about affiliate marketing programs in the crypto niche, products that affiliates can promote, and etc. Right? So that actually could come, and you may see that inside of the affiliate marketing brand at some point. But for me to leave the make money online niche and my brand Affiliate Marketing Informant and actually go and create a whole nother site, a whole nother brand, there is going to be a starter path. You're going to have to take off. And in order to do that, you have to really focus on it. You've got to create really good content. You've got to build an audience and a following. You've got to find ways to generate the traffic, because if you have no traffic to your affiliate links, you have no sales, period, end of story. So if you don't pay for traffic, like many gurus will tell you to do, which just costs a lot of money in the front end. A lot of people don't have that money in the beginning. Then you have to figure out free ways. And the free ways to generate traffic, they definitely work, but they can take time. So for me, it makes no sense for me to stall my progress on Affiliate Marketing Informant, since we are making great progress. The brand is taken off. We're building up a loyal and amazing following base that includes you guys. So we thank you very much for that. So it is just not a good time for me and us as a company and a business to jump ship. Maybe one day you'll see us in there under a different name. Who knows? You never know about that. But if you don't have a niche, or you are ready to expand in a different niche, I highly recommend you look at this. Consider if it is a topic that you would like to learn more about, so that you can become an authority in the niche and you can really do your thing in this niche and help people learn what they want to know. The thing about cryptocurrency, it is a big topic, so there's a lot to learn. And anything you can do to help people learn what they don't already know, make it easy for them to understand, you can really become a sought after authority in the niche. Now, since you are already on my list, you should have access to this amazing training right here. This is going to show you step by step on how to build an affiliate business in several ways. One way is to build out a niche website or a blog in a specific topic and actually create high quality content that you can rank inside of Google for free and get traffic to your affiliate links. Another way is going to be actually building out a YouTube channel. So you're going to have a whole lesson on that where you can create helpful videos and you can generate free traffic that way. So if you're not using this checklist, you are missing out on some amazing free training and an amazing opportunity you have to take advantage of this free training to get you into the online marketing, but the affiliate marketing realm, because that's what this is really going to teach you. So if you're not using that, then definitely grab on this today. Combine that with something like done for you content in this niche, or in this particular product, you can actually get access to 10 plus niches, and a new niche is being released every month. So how cool is that? So I hope this video has helped you out. If you have any questions, definitely hit me up via the email below, or respond to the email that I may send you. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.